Using Clearpay with Amazon is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can use Clearpay with Amazon. So first let me tell you what the Clearpay actually is. Clearpay is actually Afterpay. Both are the same things. They have different names depending on the region. In some regions, Clearpay is called as Afterpay, while some other regions Afterpay is called as Clearpay. They are the same thing. Now, how you guys can use this to buy anything on Amazon. So for that, you have to be at any of your browser and you need to search for Amazon gift card Afterpay. And I'm going to enter that and you guys will be able to see these results. You just have to go to this website, which is afterpay.com, and now here you guys will be able to buy the Amazon gift card. Now why are we buying the Amazon gift card? So there's no direct way that you can link your Afterpay or Clearpay with Amazon. You just need to buy a gift card of Amazon worth of they have limitations worth up to 500, and you can still buy the two of them. If you want more, it totally depends upon you. You just have to buy this Amazon gift card and you can use it for the purchase of anything. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Afterpay on Amazon. Hope you guys find this video helpful.